Thanks for stopping by the channel. Today's just something a little different. I picked up some items here, some parallels, 3 sets of parallels, and some 1, 2, 3 blocks. And these are more. Where's the yeah? There's the logo there. More blocks, and basically the 3 and the 2 are right on. They're a matched set, but for some reason the one thickness is off by quite a bit. So I haven't done any surface grinding in some time, so I decided to play with these parallels first. This set was not matched. They were close, but not perfect. And so I thought I'd show you. I'm going to put it here under the gauge, zero it up. I'm going to zoom in on that gauge. So, assuming you can see what's there, this is that 1 and 10 in red. The 1 is 1/10, and the other side is 2/10. So I've got it set at the highest resolution there. Got basically a 6-inch parallel, and we'll shove her through. And over the 6 inches, got about 1, 2, 3, about half of a tenth difference in that parallel across there. The other guy, the matching one, he's a couple of tenths higher there, and we slide him across, and basically about the same thing. That one's 6/10. So turned out really nice. The finish on the grind turned out nice. I'm really happy about that. And pull you back here. Really happy about how the finish turned out. I'm using Cool Mist, and I'm not going to show you grinding. I mean, it's just basically. The wheel going back and forth. But when I was grinding these, I had a little issue that it heated up on me, and I think it was a twofold problem. One, it's let me turn around here for a second. It's 55 degrees in the shop, so these guys are cold. I ran the machine for quite a while warming it up, but I really believe the head, which is on oiled ways, and it's it's 50 degrees. I really believe that moving it down, it was sticky, and that may have been some of my problem also that I had. But they turned out real nice. I wanted to do a little bit of grinding today, and so my goal is to go ahead and grind these 2 in the 1-inch dimension. I think the let's see, the difference is about. Find a caliper. This is the one that's low. So this guy's, depending upon where you bite on it, 995, half a tenth under. Yeah, but this guy's quite a bit smaller. So about 5 thou that I got to take off this block and get them both to be to match the same. I'll grind it on the side that doesn't have the Moore logo, so we'll keep the Moore logo in there, Moore tools, and get them to match up. This, you can see it's got a grind mark in it. It's been hit. So take it over the grinder and we'll bring it back and see how we do. Well, we're back from the grinder and got 995 balls on this one. $9.95 balls on this one too. So looks like it turned out pretty good on the grind. Let's see how what kind of measurement we get on it. Of course, adjusting this at tenths is very touchy. You can see there it went all the way, buried the needle where it wasn't buried before. Try that there. So all in all, that block is doggone good. And the second one, it's on the 0. Just scooting across. This one's got to go back and check that. So there we are at 0. And cutting across the block here. That's tenth and a half. Just under a tenth and a half. Now I didn't grind both sides, so it could be the Moore side needs actually a touch-up. But yeah, for what I do, a tenth and a half. These will be more of setup blocks since they're not perfect 1, 2, 3s. Just fooling around here, putting each block in there. So now they're about a half a tenth different in height, if that. So all in all, fun little grind, quickie. Happy with the finish. Is not totally tits. I just really rushed through it because it's cold out here. I may go back and run through it again and take off. Actually, 5 thou cleaned it up, cleaned both of them up. The high one was 5 thou above the shorter version. So yeah, they may spend a little more time at the grinder. But hope you enjoyed it. It's kind of fun, just having some fun out here in the shop. Thanks for stopping by the channel, and we will see you on the next video. As always, you know, share the video, like, subscribe, comments are appreciated, and we'll see you soon.